Hello, oral present English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my experiences in the Niagara Falls. 3. Recommend in the first recommendation with to travel in Niagara Falls. My name is Adriana María Tovar y pues from el municipio de Rivera Huila. I am a student from UNAD University del programa de agronomía. Actually, I'm working assistant organization in productores en el tema de Commodity Corporation. Es motivación me to ir in front activity. I then travel to work in work. To tour in the Niagara Falls. Following age is just the plan to go Niagara Falls, Canada. And my visit 70 this Niagara City Falls, the country Canada, which is considered on the surface peaceful and tranquil place in the planet. Civility is people, communication, and respect for others is their own beautiful and enriching rich of this wonderful country. We travel the field from Dorado Airport in Bogota, DC, to Toronto in the region. We likely will travel to Niagara, and the way we feel with quick hit. Research technology in white testing on the most house can make a stand in fall in the world in the Niagara on the lake where you enjoy delicious kite family on a bus. Carl Humber Jr. the 5 picture and sublime eye in Niagara Falls. Amable and visual and sensorial spectacle as the wonderful cruise. El take choice, shopping and attractive de diferentes naturales worlds. Checking and to recommendation in the travel Niagara Falls. 3. 1. Logic is in Toronto Airport and in international displacement. 2. Air Cruise is the Canadian ruler. 3. Green is very similar to green in Colombia. Direct looking in the edges and slack half. 4. Cheese en Canadá es el momento de cheese autorización 5% and the knock incluye en el account de restaurant, bar o coffee shop. 5. Clothing is a vessel and dress with several layers. In springtime, male sock and leather jackets attack those whose Bogota particular. Says chairs were very comfort chairs. 17. It is a recommendation in bra, glove, and scarf, and tag, and sun, wall, and Nike. Nike 8 electoral device electric cruise in Canada, in the Sun and Colombia. Nike telephone communication, prepaid phone card, file, cards, cultivate all algorithm with resume shock food scoring even permaker as in Colombia. WhatsApp is a very good option is in free areas where they access to Wi-Fi. Then, Meals and Conditions Canada has great beautiful folk dance days multiplication in the country tourist Persian, Levant, Greek and Moroccan folk among others with the no species and have conditions similar to in Colombia. Bye. Thank you.